Okay, so inside the kitchen, the community kitchen at Bistro 6, we built a massive island.
Yeah.
The kind of island that you can put, like, it's always every chef's dream to put down a whole bunch of plates and serve a bunch of people. But there's nothing worse than like serving 6 people and then putting more plates down. So we have a massive island.
Yeah, absolutely.
We've got 2 giant sinks.
Yep,
Because
function.
I need the giant sinks. I want to crawl inside them and wash up. It's fantastic. So when designing a space for cooking or any kind of kitchen, you really have to worry about flow is number one, and kind of where you can go and who's moving where. You need enough space behind you. So if I'm working on a board here, somebody can kind of say, you know, it's proper to say behind, and they walk behind. And just have the overall flow. And I find whenever we have a party at home, the party ends up in the kitchen.
Absolutely.
So the kitchen's the most important part to kind of think of the flow, and you think, oh, there's only one person there, but no, ultimately there could be like 50 people in there.
Yeah.
So flow's number one for me.
I feel like for the interior design of a kitchen especially, and even more in a dining space, lighting is absolutely imperative. You know, you need to have great lighting for function, number one. When you're trying to prepare, get everything, you know, set up, you need great bright lighting. When you're entertaining and you're hosting that party, the lights can come down. And I think layering the lighting is going to be key in this space. And it's going to be sort of like the jewelry in this room.
Love it.
Yeah.